place in the world to leave a bottle is a beach.
Pen-blwydd hapus iawn, Cadwch Gymru'n Daclus, a llongyfarchiadau mawr ar y gwaith gwych i chi wedi gwneud dros y 20 mlynedd diwetha. Very happy anniversary, Keep Wales Tidy. You've done a fantastic job over 40 years. Keep it up. We look forward to the next 40.
Happy 40th anniversary to Keep Wales Tidy. Wales is a beautiful country, so please remember to keep it tidy.
Happy birthday, Keep Wales Tidy. From Langstone Primary School Eco Committee.
Hi, my name is John Hogg and I have the privilege of being the chair of the charity. The work that we do across the length and breadth of Wales really does improve the quality of people's lives, I feel. On behalf of the board of trustees, I'd like to wish Keep Wales Tidy a happy 40th birthday. Pen-blwydd hapus.
Happy 40th anniversary to Keep Wales Tidy, and from the Welsh Government a wish to keep working with you far into the future, hopefully for the next 40 years.
Llongyfarchiadau arno di 40 mlynedd o ran Cadw Cymru yn lan a thaclus. Mae o'n waith pwysig iawn a phob lwc at y dyfodol. Nid yn unig I ni sydd yn byw yng Nghymru, ond hefyd i'r ymwelwyr sy'n dod yma I fwynhau un o wledydd mwyaf trawiadol Ewrop.
Tour Cymru Welsh Water sponsored the Tidy Wales Awards this year. The ceremony highlighted the voluntary effort made to clean up, preserve and maintain the local environment.
Yes, over 100,000 trolleys are dumped every year, and today saw the biggest ever salvage operation to get some of them back.
10% of all trolley fleets get lost every year, and bearing in mind that someone like Tesco has 300,000 trolleys, there's a lot of trolleys that get abandoned.
Hello, I'm Hugh Stevens, wishing Keep Wales Tidy a very happy birthday. Wales is beautiful, let's keep it tidy. Pen-blwydd hapus, Cadwch Gymru'n Daclus. Pob lwc.
Pen-blwydd hapus, Cadwch Gymru'n Daclus.
Cadwch Gymru'n Daclus a phen-blwydd hapus iawn yn 40.
Well, I think so, over the years we've been singing the praises of the wonderful mountains we have, the wonderful countryside, the wonderful historical side. And now we can sing the praises of the 109 record beaches that we have in Wales.
Hello, Shemai, and a big happy 40th anniversary to Keep Wales Tidy. The weather in Wales is very changeable, but our country is beautiful. It's a fantastic place to go walking with wonderful beaches, hills and mountains as well. So look after it, and the outlook for Wales is bright.
Happy birthday, Keep Wales Tidy!
Happy birthday, Keep Wales Tidy. I can't believe we're 40 already.
Happy birthday, Keep Wales Tidy. There's nothing like a good pull on a Saturday morning. Yay! Happy birthday, Tidy!
Hello, I'm Leslie Jones, Chief Executive of Keep Wales Tidy. This year is our 40th anniversary. I would like to give a big thank you to all those many people who have supported us in our work over the last 40 years to look after our environment and to make sure our beautiful country can be enjoyed by everyone. We look forward to working with many more of you over the next 40 years. Happy 40th birthday, Keep Wales Tidy. Pen-blwydd hapus.
Pen-blwydd hapus, Cadwch Gymru'n Daclus. Braf iawn I weld bod chi wedi gwneud gwaith da dros y 20 mlynedd diwetha. Happy birthday, Keep Wales Tidy. Fantastic to see the work that you've done over the past 40 years.
Happy 40th birthday to Keep Wales Tidy. Here's to the next 40 years, and I hope that the fantastic work that you've already done just multiplies more and more, and the older you get, the more youthful you become in the amount of energy you're able to put into things. So congratulations, and I look forward to working with you in the future.